Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have BELKIN SoundForm Rise and I'm going to tell you how can you easily do a factory reset. The factory reset is called HardReset.Info, so don't worry. At first we have to open the case and remove the earbuds from the case. The right one and the left one. Now we have to place the earbuds back into the case. And here we have to now tap and hold the earbuds for 6 seconds. The indicator light on the earbuds will alternate blue and white. And after that time, we have to close the lid and our earbuds will be now factory resetted. Let me show you the final step. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.